Hello and welcome back to another video. We're going to be looking at a home-built camper. So it's based on the Citroen Relay. I'll turn the camera around so you can see it. And it's just under 6 meters long and under 3.5 tons, 3,500 kgs. So it can be driven on a normal car license. It sleeps 2 and travels with 2. And we'll start at the back. If you open this back up, you've got this handy garage area. It goes right up to there. You've got your gas bottle storage in there. A spare wheel there. There's a heater outlet down there, which is quite good. We'll move on round the van. You've got an awning rail up there. These rather snazzy lights across the top. And then if we move into the van, sliding door, so no bin on the van, on the door. You've got an outlet there for your gas barbecue. And this is a rather neat feature. You open this one here, and you've got your water storage, 2 water storage, and your grey water storage, and a little trolley to collect it. And we move on into the van. And you come straight into this lounge area, which is made up of 2 swivel seats at the front. Obviously, you've got the driver's cab there. No storage up there, more storage up here. You've got the 6-speed manual gearbox and a touchscreen Android Auto and Apple CarPlay system on the stereo. And moving down this side, you've got this nice settee lounge area. Your table storage is up there, and that pops into this one here. You've got your sink. It's just got cold running water, but you've got a hand wash in one of these and washing up liquid in the other, so you don't have to carry those. Then you've got your cooker, which is 2 hobs, 2 rings, and then obviously a grill and an oven. And it's also got this handy anti-rattle system for when you're driving. Moving up, you've got TV bracket, small TV bracket, and then you've got storage running down the side there. Across the back, you've got your speakers for your stereo system, smoke detector, more storage this side, and this is your fixed double bed, 4 foot wide, queen size bed. And you move on round here. If you open this one, you've got a fire extinguisher and an isolator because there's solar panels on the roof of it. And you come down, this is your controller for your solar panels. Then you've got your 240 volt socket and some USBs, and then your switches for everything. You've got a little storage drawer there, and your fridge there. And moving back along, you've got your bin there. Obviously, because you've got your storage, your water storage under there, under the sink, there's no cupboard here, but there's a little 12 volt outlet there, and that's where the table fits in. Then under here, you've got your toilet under there stored, and then more storage to that side. More storage here. You've got a heater control here for the 12 volt diesel heater. And this is for that one up there. This is a rather nifty fan and roof vent with a remote control. So there you have it, basically. Oh, another neat feature. is you can undo this with these ones here, and that gives you access into the garage, which is rather nifty. So there we have it. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you